In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your software stack in ClickUp V. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable space set up to manage every tool your team relies on. First, open ClickUp in your browser and head to your workspace. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that. We're starting from the main dashboard so we can create a dedicated place for your software stack. On the left sidebar, look for the option to create a new space. Click New Space. If you see the prompt again, click New Space one more time to move into the setup flow. Think of a space as a container for everything related to your software lineup. Naming it something like Software Stack or Tech Inventory makes it easy for teammates to find later. Next, choose Use Templates. Templates give you a head start with pre-built lists, statuses, and views, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. This is especially helpful when you want consistent structure across teams. Now you'll see a guided sequence with highlighted prompts. Follow those highlights to navigate the template library. Start by filtering for space templates, so you're applying a full setup, not just a list or a doc. Then browse or search for a template that fits software management. Look for ones that include fields for vendor, cost, renewal dates, owners, and status. Click into a template to open its preview and review the details so you know what's included. Use the highlighted controls to step through the preview, checking key parts like custom fields, example lists, and default views such as board or table. As you proceed through the highlighted options, you'll be asked what to bring in from the template. Keep the essentials: lists, statuses, custom fields, and views. If the template offers sample tasks, you can include them for reference or skip them to stay lean. A quick tip: choose only what you'll actually use to avoid clutter. You can always add more later. When you're happy with the selection, click Use Template. You may see a final confirmation screen. Click Use Template again to start the import. ClickUp will build the space with your chosen elements. Once the space appears, take a moment to scan the lists, views, and fields. Everything you need to track your software, like category, renewal timing, budget, and vendor, should be in place. From here, you can begin adding your actual tools, set clear statuses such as active, under review, or decommissioned, and organize views so finance, security, and engineering each have what they need at a glance. That's it. Your software stack is now organized in a dedicated ClickUp space using a solid template foundation, ready for team-wide visibility and easy maintenance.